Today we were called over to one of our buddies' shops who does vehicle wraps. I don't know if you guys can see the color flop on this. I don't know what the color is, but it's made by 3M. We ended up doing a plug and play remote start kit on this 21 F-150. We put our no horn honk on it for the customer. It's activated by lock, unlock, lock on the factory key fob, whether it's a key or a push button fob. Starts up, it's gonna run for 15 minutes. At the end of 15 minutes, it will turn off, remain locked, and that's that. If you guys wanna cancel remote start ahead of time, you can do the same thing. Just hit lock, unlock, lock, and it will turn the remote start off. Now, if you guys have the push button start vehicle, same thing applies. Obviously, you'll have a different key, but the same sequence, programming, install, everything is 100% the same, no matter if it's a key start or a push button start vehicle. So we have two kits available for this truck. One is the one you just saw, which is our no horn honk. So you press lock, unlock, lock. Our other kit is our standard kit, which is activated by pushing lock 3 times. This vehicle obviously does not have it because we just did the no horn honk sequence. But if you had the standard kit, you would hit lock, 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 and then it would remote start the vehicle in the same fashion as the no honk. The only difference is on Ford vehicles, the vehicle will honk on the second and third push. It's not a remote start thing, it is a vehicle thing. If you are not sure which kit you want, walk out to your vehicle right now and push the lock button 3 times. If the horn is too loud for you, if you're concerned about neighbors getting upset, then go ahead and do the lock, unlock, lock, which is dubbed our no horn honk. And that's it for this video. Very, very easy installation. Plugs in right behind the glove box. Takes about 5 minutes to complete.